Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video we have another haul. So I know you guys really enjoy watching these videos, and in today's video, to start off, we have these Saviland gel nail paints, which is really nice. These are their painting gels, and I did purchase this through Amazon. So actually everything from this video is going to be from Amazon. I was going to incorporate some things from Shein, but then I think I didn't want to make the video so long, so I decided not to. But yeah, I'm gonna start off by showing you all what this brings, and I really like how it brings 48 colors. There are like different ones with less colors, but I definitely wanted a large variety just because I purchased these to practice hand painting on nails. So here I also liked how it caught me by surprise. I didn't know it included a brush set. So as you guys can see in the back, there's a lot of brushes that I will go over with and show you up close, but it also has an instructions manual, how to remove them, like how to remove the product, how to apply it, and also just examples of what you can do with it. You could also use this just as like regular gel polish. These are gel paints. Me personally, I will be using them to practice hand painting on nails. I don't know, I just think it's really nice, and I got really motivated when I started seeing how talented people were and how an amazing job they do at that. And that's definitely something that I just want to pursue, but not like, obviously I'm not great, or I probably will never be as great, but I'm just saying I like to at least know the bare minimum when it comes to like, you know, painting and stuff on the nails. So here I'm just going to briefly show you all of them, what they look like, and they're pretty much just precise brushes along with different types of nail art brushes. I feel like this was really nice that they incorporated this, because now people don't have to worry about having to go out and purchase other brushes if they didn't already have. So I thought it was great, and you could never have enough nail art brushes, so I was really happy that it brought this on top of everything. And it does bring a lot of brushes. I believe it brings like maybe about, I think like 16, something like that. So it definitely brings a good quantity, and pretty much all the brushes you'll need are in this little brush packet. So yeah, I thought it was really great. They also included a precise dotting tool, which was nice. But if you hear any snoring in the background, that is my dog. He's sleeping at the moment, and I'm not gonna wake him up. So yeah, I apologize if you hear snoring, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail haul. And by the way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, to let me know to continue to make content like this. And pretty much I just went on this like shopping, I don't want to say shopping spree, but I just went on Amazon and I purchased things that I've always wanted to try but never purchased. So yeah, this is pretty much just a video of me showing you things that I've always wanted to buy, and I finally brought it. So it incorporates 48 in total, which is really, really nice. You get a wide variety. You could also grab your mixing plate, you know, and mix these colors up and do whatever you desire with them, which is really nice as well. And I'm only going to be opening a few just because it's 48 colors, and I didn't know if everybody wanted to see all 48 colors, but let me know next time I purchase something like this if you guys would like to see all the colors. Just let me know down below in the comments. I just didn't know. I assumed the majority of people to be like bored or something. So yeah, I am just trying my best to not make such long videos and not such short videos either. But let me know if you guys enjoy shorter hauls or longer hauls. That would really help. And here I'm just grabbing this really, really useful tool. And these are like mixing tools that you can purchase on AliExpress, on small businesses, or you could purchase them through Shein like I did. They were very inexpensive. I think it was like $2 or $1.50. And they are so, so useful. So here I'm just struggling a bit, trying to open. Sorry, that is another Amazon package. Beetles actually came out. This is so random, but Beetles actually, I saw their story and I saw that they came out with like new gel liners, but like pastel colors, and I had to buy them because I only have like the rainbow colors, but I didn't have pastel. So that is what they just dropped off at my door. So I'm really excited to show you guys that in the next haul. But yeah, here I'm just mixing the color because sometimes they are marbleized, or they start marbleizing because, you know, they've been sitting and stuff. So you just go ahead and mix them. I really liked how the consistency was really thick, creamy, and rich. So I definitely recommend these. I've seen a lot of people haul these or show them in videos, which is the reason why I wanted them to begin with. So yeah, here I am just going to be opening up a couple more for you all. So I hope you guys liked that part of the video, and this is just an overall view of the colors that you get. So I definitely recommend these. I really liked them. And next we're moving on to this Landfall 6 gel polish set, and I really love the packaging. I really like that pastel marble, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how beautiful these gel polishes are. They're very unique. I don't have anything like it. I love the combination of the mylar flakes that they incorporate within the gel polish, along with the glitter as well. You guys will see here. I will definitely do some nail swatches. They were so beautiful. I recommend everyone to go and check them out or get them if you're able to, because they're definitely one of a kind. I just had to get them and have them as a part of my nail collection. So this is what they look like, and I also really appreciate how beautiful the packaging is. They're very pretty. I personally really like them, and they are 10 ml each bottle. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you an overview of the bottle, the product, and a swatch of each color. So let me know after what you guys think. I absolutely love these. I will have everything linked down below. So if you are interested in anything that you saw in today's video, it will be linked down below for you all. So this is the overview of all the gel polishes. I absolutely love them. So beautiful. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these, or let me know down below your favorite product or products in today's video. Silicone fingers. I know some people had asked me if I could give them the link. I will be placing the link under the description box again. I did end up doing it after I uploaded it because I had forgotten. Usually I try to put whatever I get from Amazon. So I ended up getting 4. So here you'll see 3. And then I already had unboxed 1 to show you. These are a really good deal because I think they were like $13 or $14 for 2, for a pack of 2, and they're very realistic and very great quality. I also like how you can bend them. They're bendable, stuff like that. If you need to move it or anything like that, you can. And yeah, these are really good silicone molds, and I believe this is like a 30 pack, something like that. And I did get these off of Amazon. I really like these, so I definitely wanted to get some more. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know to continue making content like this. Hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. And subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world. Thank you guys once again. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.